Do you feel your legs getting weaker? Do stairs leave you more breathless than they used to, or do simple chores feel heavier on your muscles? Many seniors think this is just normal aging, but in reality, much of it comes from sarcopenia, the silent loss of muscle that speeds up after 60. By the time you notice it, you may have already lost 20 to 30% of your muscle mass. Here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets to fight back. In fact, some of the most powerful muscle protecting foods are fruits you can buy at any grocery store. Today, I'm going to share the top 4 fruits that rebuild muscle and help reverse sarcopenia, backed by science, affordable, and easy to add into your daily routine. And make sure you stay with me until number 1, because it's one of the simplest fruits, yet research shows it can cut the risk of weak muscles in seniors by more than half. I'm Dr. Sam, and after 30 years of working with older adults, I've seen how the right food choices can transform strength, independence, and quality of life. If you're new here, welcome to Dr. Sam's Senior Health Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss another science-backed tip designed especially for seniors. Now, let's begin the countdown with fruit number 4 on our list. Part 4. Bananas. At number 4, we have bananas, a fruit so common that many people overlook just how powerful it is for muscle health after 60. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that acts like an electric stabilizer for your muscles. Without enough potassium, your muscles are more likely to cramp, tire quickly, and lose strength. For seniors, that can mean waking up at night with leg cramps or struggling to maintain balance when walking. Bananas are also a natural source of vitamin B6, which helps your body convert protein into usable energy for muscle repair. This means that when you pair bananas with other protein-rich foods, your muscles can actually use that protein more effectively. Science backs this up. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that diets rich in potassium significantly improved muscle performance and reduced weakness in older adults. In fact, participants who consumed adequate potassium were far less likely to experience mobility decline compared to those who were deficient. I remember one of my patients, Mrs. Harris, a 71-year-old, who complained about constant calf cramps during her evening walks. When we reviewed her diet, I noticed she rarely ate potassium-rich foods. After adding just one banana a day, sometimes as a snack, sometimes blended into a smoothie, her cramps almost completely disappeared within a month, and she was able to walk longer distances without discomfort. Practical tips for seniors. Start your morning with half a banana sliced over oatmeal or Greek yogurt. It adds natural sweetness without needing sugar. For a quick afternoon pick-me-up, pair one banana with a spoonful of natural peanut butter. It balances potassium with protein and healthy fats. If chewing tougher foods is difficult, simply blend a banana into a smoothie with milk, yogurt, or cottage cheese. It's creamy, filling, and easy to digest. Freeze ripe bananas and blend later into a soft banana ice cream, a tasty, muscle-friendly evening dessert. Important notes when eating bananas. Stick to one medium banana per day. Too many can spike blood sugar, especially for those with diabetes. Always try to eat bananas with protein or healthy fats, like yogurt, nuts, or cottage cheese, to slow digestion and avoid sugar spikes. If you have kidney disease or have been told to limit potassium, check with your doctor before eating bananas daily. Bananas may be humble, but they're one of the most practical and affordable tools to keep your muscles strong, your legs cramp-free, and your energy steady. And now, moving to number 3, we'll look at a fruit that not only helps your muscles, but also strengthens your bones and protects your joints at the same time. 3. Prunes, dried plums. At number 3, we have prunes, dried plums that many seniors dismiss as just a remedy for constipation. But in reality, they are a powerful fruit for both muscle and bone health after 60. Prunes are packed with antioxidants, vitamin K, potassium, and boron, all of which work together to keep your muscles strong and your bones resilient. Vitamin K and boron in particular act as bone and muscle connectors, ensuring calcium is used properly and muscles can contract efficiently. Prunes also combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two major culprits behind muscle breakdown as we age. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that postmenopausal women who consumed 5-6 prunes daily for 6 months had better bone density and muscle function compared to those who didn't. Researchers concluded that prunes may help slow down the natural decline of both muscles and bones. I remember one of my patients, Mr. Lee, a 68-year-old retiree who was struggling with joint stiffness and weaker legs. He started with a small handful of prunes in the afternoon, about 4 to 5 pieces. Within weeks, he not only noticed smoother digestion, but also felt stronger during his walks and had fewer aches after gardening. Practical tips for seniors. Eat 4 to 5 prunes as a snack between meals. They're naturally sweet and easy to carry. Chop prunes and add to oatmeal or salads for extra flavor and nutrients. Simmer prunes in a little water or tea for a soft, warm snack that's gentle on the stomach. Pair prunes with Greek yogurt or nuts to balance their natural sugars and keep blood sugar steady. Important notes when eating prunes. Start with 2 to 3 prunes twice a day, then increase to 4 to 5 as tolerated. Larger amounts may cause bloating or diarrhea due to natural sorbitol. Because prunes are rich in vitamin K, people on blood thinners like warfarin should keep intake consistent and follow their doctor's advice. Prunes are calorie and sugar dense. Those with diabetes should stick to moderate portions and combine with protein or healthy fats. For seniors with kidney disease or a history of kidney stones, it's best to consult a doctor before eating prunes daily. Dried fruit can stick to teeth, so remember to rinse or brush afterward to protect dental health. Prunes may seem old-fashioned, but modern science shows they are one of the best fruits for keeping your muscles firm and your bones strong. And now, moving to number 2, we'll look at a fruit that not only supports muscle recovery, but also improves sleep quality, a critical piece of rebuilding strength overnight. 2. Tart cherries or juice. At number 2, we have tart cherries or their juice, a fruit that not only supports muscle recovery but also improves sleep quality, giving your body the chance to repair and rebuild overnight. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, the same deep red pigments that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in muscles after physical activity. For seniors, this is especially important because chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons muscles stop responding to protein and exercise as effectively as they once did. What makes tart cherries unique is their natural content of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. Better sleep means deeper muscle repair, improved hormone balance, and reduced nighttime muscle breakdown. In fact, a 2012 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who drank tart cherry juice twice daily slept an average of 85 minutes longer per night compared to those who didn't. Another study from the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed that tart cherry supplementation reduced post-exercise muscle soreness and improved recovery in both young athletes and older adults. One of my patients, Mrs. Thompson, age 70, used to complain of waking up multiple times at night with restless legs and morning stiffness. After introducing half a cup of tart cherry juice before bed, she noticed she slept more soundly and felt less stiff when getting out of bed. Within a few weeks, she reported having more energy during the day and even started walking longer distances without fatigue. Practical tips for seniors: drink 1 or 2 cups of unsweetened tart cherry juice about 1 hour before bedtime for the best sleep benefits. Add a small handful of dried tart cherries to your evening snack, paired with yogurt or nuts. Blend frozen tart cherries into a smoothie with milk or Greek yogurt for a tasty nighttime treat that combines muscle repair with sleep support. Important notes when using tart cherries: always choose unsweetened juice. Many commercial brands add sugar that can cancel out the benefits. If you have diabetes, monitor your blood sugar and limit serving size, as cherries contain natural sugars. People with gout may benefit from tart cherries, but always confirm with a doctor if you're on medications like allopurinol. For digestive sensitivity, start small, about 1 to 4 cups of juice, and increase gradually. Tart cherries are more than just a fruit. They're a natural recovery aid that helps your muscles heal and your body rest deeply at night. And now, moving to number 1, we'll reveal a fruit that combines muscle protection, hydration, and immune support all in one. A fruit you probably already enjoy every morning. 1. Oranges. Finally, at number 1, we have oranges, perhaps the most familiar fruit of all, yet one of the most powerful for seniors looking to rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, a nutrient absolutely essential for collagen production. Collagen is the framework that keeps your muscles attached to bones, cushions your joints, and supports strong blood vessels. Without enough vitamin C, your body struggles to repair daily wear and tear, leading to weaker muscles and slower recovery. But the benefits don't stop there. Oranges also provide hydration through their high water content, helping prevent muscle cramps and fatigue. In addition, they supply potassium, which supports steady muscle contraction, and flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation. A 2017 study in the Journal of Gerontology showed that older adults with higher vitamin C intake had greater grip strength and faster walking speeds, underscoring how critical this nutrient is for maintaining independence. I remember Mr. Collins, a 73-year-old patient who came to me complaining of weakness in his hands and difficulty carrying groceries. After reviewing his diet, I realized he rarely ate fresh fruit. I suggested adding 1 orange to his breakfast each day, or swapping his afternoon cookie for orange slices. Within 2 months, his grip strength improved, and he proudly told me he could carry 2 grocery bags without stopping. Practical tips for seniors: enjoy 1 medium orange daily, either whole or sliced as a snack. Drink a small glass, 4 to 6 oz, of fresh squeezed orange juice in the morning, but avoid store-bought juices with added sugar. Add orange segments to a spinach salad with walnuts for a nutrient-packed lunch that supports both muscles and brain health. For a bedtime option, pair orange slices with a handful of almonds for a balanced snack of vitamin C, potassium, and healthy fats. Important notes when eating oranges: stick to whole oranges whenever possible. Juice lacks fiber and can spike blood sugar. If you have acid reflux, limit intake or choose lower acid varieties like mandarins. People with diabetes should pair oranges with protein or fats to stabilize blood sugar response. Because vitamin C enhances iron absorption, it's a smart idea to combine oranges with iron rich foods like lentils or spinach. Oranges are more than just a refreshing snack. They are a daily investment in stronger muscles, steadier legs, and healthier aging. Together with bananas, prunes, and tart cherries, they form a powerful team of fruits that fight sarcopenia naturally. And now let's pull everything together in the final takeaway. So let's bring everything together. After 60, your body naturally begins to lose muscle in a process called sarcopenia. Left unchecked, this silent decline can make it harder to climb stairs, carry groceries, or even get up from a chair. But here's the encouraging truth. Sarcopenia is not inevitable. With the right foods, you can slow it down, rebuild strength, and keep your independence. We've looked at 4 powerful fruits that go beyond ordinary nutrition. Bananas act like nature's stabilizers, rich in potassium to prevent cramps and improve balance, while vitamin B6 helps your body actually use the protein you eat. Prunes do double duty. They fight inflammation while protecting bone density, reducing your risk of both weak muscles and brittle bones. Tart cherries repair your muscles after activity and give you deeper, more restorative sleep, something most seniors desperately need for overnight healing. Oranges provide the collagen-building vitamin C that ties it all together, ensuring your muscles, joints, and blood vessels stay strong and resilient. Science is clear. Seniors who regularly consume these fruits show better grip strength, faster walking speed, improved sleep, and stronger bones compared to those who don't. But beyond the studies, what matters most is real life. My patients who add just 1 or 2 of these fruits daily often notice fewer cramps, more energy, and greater confidence in their mobility within weeks. And here's the best part. These aren't exotic superfoods hidden away in health stores. They're affordable, widely available, and easy to enjoy, whether in a smoothie, a salad, or simply by the handful. Small daily choices like adding a banana to breakfast or prunes to an afternoon snack can create powerful long-term changes in strength and independence. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these fruits do you already eat, and which one will you start adding this week? Share your answer in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else in our community to take action. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of Dr. Sam's Senior Health Tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another science-backed tip designed especially for seniors. Here's to stronger muscles, steadier steps, and the freedom to keep doing the things you love for years to come. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.